This is a brief demonstration of the GradientOne asset discovery feature. In a lot of lab environments that we come across, customers don't have a good sense of all the devices that are being used in their lab and what their utilization is. Before you can track utilization, first you have to understand what's being used, and that's what the purpose of this discovery feature is. So in this example, you'll see a variety of test systems that are currently being tracked and monitored for utilization. We also have two new devices that are being used that are not registered in part of the system. The GradientOne client capability continually monitors and tracks new activity, and when it sees a new device, it will interrogate it for things like manufacturer, what it is, the model number and serial number, and that's what's happened here. So in this case, these two devices that are discovered, the administrator may want to register them, which is as simple as clicking on register, giving the asset a name. We'll call this the Tektronix MSO5K1. We'll give it a label, oscilloscope. These values are pre-populated, given to us by the instrument. We'll give it a location. This is in the San Francisco lab, and this is in the lab on the second floor, Suite 300. You can also provide a brief description of the scope so people can have a good sense of what it's being used for. In this example, the scope will be used for I2C and other protocols. Now, after it's been submitted, it is available for tracking by the utilization feature. Repeating the process for the second device, we'll give this Regal DS1K1. Values pre-populated by the scope, again in San Francisco. We'll also put this in the second floor lab and general purpose scope. Now both of these devices are added to the registered asset list and can be used for tracking and utilization and further trend analysis.